Mutongwe wa chama cha Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka kwa ivinda yingi ni wa mutula muti President William Ruto nundu wa kusiya iseso ya kunyuvwa kwa makamishna manzama ya usakwani na mivaka IEBC aine ya kanisani wa PCA ngudhuru kisione cha Kenol County ya Murang'a. Kalonzo ni wavya yethe kauneni wa matongo yi alamethitwe maiweta kana Wiper niyo tumite iseso yili taendea nundu wa ngusanisyo na nula wailite kwithiwa komitine ya kuthungulula makamishna kuma ngwatanioni ya Azimio va ayasya serikali niyo inaendie kotini kumusia ko Kimuli ayeka komitine kana aidha ayeka la komitine no ya kumanda makomishona ma IEBC. Boni mutisia no kutuelezea.
Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka inene kanisani wa PCA ula weekend kwa kaunti ya Murang'a mwenda President William Ruto umele mituke kwa kwolo Tanzania nyuvani na mevaka kana IEBC. Kalonzo imwenda Ruto mwana atongo yangi chamani cha UDA kuvetanga makwani ala methito maitha cha kotini kuvinga matambia taya.
Everybody, including the President Uhuru, is concerned about this matter of IEBC. So William Ruto should come out of the slumber and do something. The country is waiting for him. You know, they tell their proxies, because the fellows who have gone to court are the proxies of UDA. Tell your proxies to withdraw the case. Name within the next 1 week the panel, and then the next few months we should have in place an IEBC.
Ndongo yino yaweta kana vindani langa lekoni Azimio endeka kumya mundu mwe wa kuolota kulika zamani ya nyuvani na mewaka mwone makwatia niye ateo kila kiende na kuoneka nikana serikali ya Kenya kwanza niende na ukia na mena wendiwa kuenda kuikia ndola menga lekoni yo kana nyanya ya monza maneno ya nyuvani na mewaka.
When Azimio was given 48 hours to forward the name of the candidate to be in the panel that will constitute the IEBC, we had to adhere to the strict timeline by the court. And we gave the name of Dr. Ko Kimuli. I think she'll be issuing a statement. But there are people who are afraid of our abilities. They want to get user-friendly candidates. All right? So she had herself won the case. And so this is a matter where the state itself has gone to appeal. They went to court to appeal in Kiambu court. We have said this before. And then after that appeal, they have not even prepared to prosecute the appeal, meaning they are not even interested. Speaker Wetangula had 1 week after Azimio complied with that directive of the court to forward the names to President William Ruto. But they gerrymandered in order to allow the fellows they have given the mandate to delay the whole process to move to court.
Kalonzo enda na watakana ona ukava wa koti ni mwiki ngusune ni President William Ruto na kielo kinene cha President William Ruto negwekithia kana kwa inanza nyuvani na mevaka na kana ingi vaine thwa nevinda ya ni uyanza meno kuyombanitya usakwani ula ukite wa mwaka wa 2017.
So this is the fact. State capture continues even of the judiciary. The fact they are not even able to move this process forward. So we are calling them out that this is a William Ruto strategy to make sure that there is no IEBC, and therefore continue even the matter, very important matter of the independent electoral boundaries. You see, there was a time limit within which we should now come up with a review of the boundaries. Under NADCO, we had proposed, I think, 15 years. And if they had taken the time to marshal the whole parliament, they marshaled when they were impeaching Gachagua, right? They marshaled more than 2/3. They should have marshaled the same to make sure that constitutional amendment was done so that the country would not be in a crisis, a constitutional crisis. So we join with the church. The church has called out, I think they gave them 12 days.
Kumonona ki ni wavya yetheka nzakisia kana wenu withitwa itambuka vomani ya President kana State House kunena ni semondo taya na President William Ruto aiweta kana weti wa metuo teno na ethu wafya kindu alita utayo President William Ruto atonya mutavisia wandani.
Ya mengine ya poroja atime naenda kukutana na Ruto usiku. Mimi si mtu aina hiyo. Nikitaka kuona Ruto nitasema kwa Kenya, I'm going to meet him. Nimwambie organize IEBC, and I'm not saying I'm meeting him. Yeah, I'm not meeting on IEBC. It is his responsibility.
Mutongoi TV Nyanita Waboni Mutesia.